This is Minister Vinson Ballard, and I welcome you through Yem Hotel, Ankh Uja Seneb. That is, I come offering the satisfaction of life, prosperity, and health. We certainly are so thankful for being here, and I welcome you as we take a moment to just share a few words with you. On this particular occasion, I would like to speak to the oneness in consciousness. Oneness would be spelled Oneness. Oneness. Why don't you say that? Oneness. And in consciousness. And consciousness is spelled CONSCIOUSNESS. Consciousness. Why don't you try to say it? Consciousness. So we would offer as a further thought, oneness loves consciousness. And loves would be LOVES. LOVES, loves. So oneness loves consciousness. So you may ask the point, what do you mean about oneness? On many, many occasions, relative to getting a job or relative to doing something as an individual, you always hear this concept of a person being a team player, okay? You hear a concept of unity, where oneness is a much earlier concept that goes thousands of years ago, and it talks about the completeness, the universality of everything and everybody. And so oneness has to do with that. For example, the sun is an example of oneness, because the sun, which is the main source of our galaxy, which involves the Earth and we being on the Earth, but the sun actually is a middle-aged star, and it's billions and billions of years old, and there are also believed to be billions of stars out there. So that speaks to how the connectedness of the sun to us and how we are connected with sun. As we well know, relative to survival, you have three domains, or five domains or five dimensions. Those five are the minerals, which the sun, the stars are a part of, and the earth is a part of, we are a part of, the moon is a part of. Because we are copper-based, we could not survive without it. Then the second domain or dimension would be that of the plant domain. And of course, the plant live and vibe off of the sun, the middle-aged star called the sun. Certainly we know about photosynthesis, and we know about the black dot or the melanin or the Kim or the eye of Haru that interacts with the drainage and the plant and the photosynthesis as it relates to the sun. So oneness also means that we, even as human beings, we also realize that we are very much relative. So again, we said the first dimension or domain would be the minerals. The second domain or dimension would be the plant. The third would be the animal. And we talk about animal not from the standpoint of we eat animals as food, but it's not just, animals are not just here for us to eat. Animals also are mystical, divine creatures. And so we are so thankful for that. And we will continue this hotel.